is full of jealousy, is full of unforgiveness, is full of bitterness, is full of rebellious, nabisag na sa simbahan, apanwa na nung ka makabakyag sa presensya sa Amahan, nga naman kay natapunan na ang kasing-kasing sa kangit-ngit. That's why I believe today it's time for us to come to the Lord and ask the Lord, Lord, restore me, Lord, cleanse me, Lord, wash me, Lord, we need to come to Him with a contrite spirit. We need to come to the Lord with a repentant heart. Nabutuon ta sa Ginoo, nga doon ay pagpaubos, nabutuon